What's up, everybody? Bitcoin J coming back yet again with another video. This is an update on the Drip network. I made a video a couple days ago, probably about a week ago, actually, on the Drip network. Now, I think the last time we talked, I don't even remember the amount of Drip that I had at the time. It might have been 4,000 or 5,000, something like that, worth of Drip. I don't remember. Anyway, this is where I'm sitting right now, $6,045, and that's all based on fluctuation in pricing. So let's look here. Let's go to Coin Market Cap. Let's see where Drip is sitting. Drip. Drip right now is down a little bit, but it's sitting right at $67 per drip. So when I look at that, I'm thinking, man, when I first found out about it, I think it was what was it? It's like $11. But, you know, me being, a little bit apprehensive because, look, I put my money in a lot of other things that didn't quite work out. So I was kind of like, let me see how this plays out. Well, that was not very intelligent. But nonetheless, it's never too late to get in. So anyway, here I am. I got about $43 in Drip so far. I think that's over the last day because it's, as I told you, and, if you watch any other videos about Drip and how Drip works, this does pay you 0.1 of what you've got in the total deposit. So if you look, I got $6,033. Oh no, it's 0.1. It pays you 1%. I wish it paid 0.1. Wouldn't that be great? One, or I could have just did, how about this? 6,033 times 1%. There you go. So it's making me $60 a day. And I know it doesn't seem like a whole lot. $60 a day times 7 days a week times 4.33. That's making me roughly about $1,800 a month. Now the key to this is to hydrate every day. All right, because as you hydrate every day, which basically means you restake, which why don't I just go ahead and do that? I'm just going to hydrate. I'm going to restake this $43. But there's a 10% tax on everything you put in, all right, and everything you withdraw, which is whatever. I don't care, because the whole goal is to increase this deposit amount, because that's going to increase your max payout. But I've seen some guys on here and some gals, but really it's a couple guys in particular I've seen, man, they've got some crazy amount of deposits. I'm talking, 30, 40, 100, $1.4 million in deposits. So they're making a crazy amount per day. But listen, obviously they started out with money and they're building a team. See, I don't have any team members. This is just strictly my hard-earned cash I'm reinvesting back in. I've got no team, which it'd be nice to start getting some team members. So if you find value in this and you want to help me out, I'll leave my buddy address in the description. You fill that out, because the thing about Drip, you can't even participate in Drip unless you have a buddy address. So it's built on referrals. So it's kind of made to build a team. So if you do that, we help each other out, because what I'll do is the more money that I'm making from Drip, I'll start to do an airdrop to my team, but I don't have one yet, so it'd be nice to get one. So if y'all want to help a brother get some team members, that'd be nice. Be very appreciated. So real quick, let's just look at a couple things here. Let's look at the total, where's it at? The total price. Say 67. Now let's look at the total amount of Drip available. If I can find it somewhere here. Maybe it's right here on faucet, which is on the same page. No. Swap. There it is. There it is. Stats. There's only 43,000 drip left, period. And the whole goal is it's a deflationary token. So they don't want, it's like Shiba, they don't want a trillion, 100 trillion coins out there, which is going to make the price of the coin very low. They want the coin's price to go up. So the less amount of coins that are out there in circulation, the higher the demand, the higher the price. So he who has the most coins will win. And that's the whole point. So we're all trying to accumulate the most coins possible, right? And you can do it two ways. You can put your hard-earned money into the deposits, and you can start building team members. Now, there's a lot of other ways that people are building their teams. I mean, people are making websites, they're making ads, they're making a ton of videos promoting it. This is really only my second video ever talking about Drip. I like it. I think it's a fantastic program. I think it's got a lot of staying power. I think that a lot of people could really change their lives with this. Because think about it. I mean, if it's paying, 1% of total deposits, and somehow you're lucky enough, you're blessed enough, let's say you come to some money or you build a good team and you got 25 grand, right? Times 1%. You're making 250 bucks a day. Now, I don't know about you, but that's more than most people make a day. That's more than like 90% of Americans. All right, times 7 times 4.33. That's $7,500 a month. So if somehow you can build this up to where you can deposit 25 grand in your deposits at 1% payout per day. Come on, man. Hey, what's $15 an hour? Let's say 8 hours a day. $15 an hour is only 120 bucks a day. And then let's put that in perspective. Think about it. You're making 250 bucks a day just by letting money sit somewhere or letting coins sit somewhere, and they're paying you on that. $25 an hour. About 8 hours a day. That's 200 bucks. Think about that. How many people you know making $25 an hour? And they're doing well. That's a great income. You'd still be out earning them if you somehow got 25 grand and sitting in this account. So the whole goal is to put as much money here as you can put in, all right? Whether by hard-earned cash and a combination of building a team. So do the best you can and do what you can. Now, again, this is not financial advice. I should have said that in the beginning. I'm not telling you to do anything. What I'm saying is if you see value in this and you understand the tokenomics and the numbers that I just went through with you, that's real. This is real. Now keep this in mind though, and I didn't go over this last video. The money you deposit is gone. Like what you're in essence doing is you're buying an income. All right. So once you invest whatever that money is you're going to invest in it, they're paying you back every day based on the investment that you made. I mean, the power of this is crazy. Like I told you, there's a couple of people who had 200 grand. 200 grand. I mean, they're making $2,000 a day. A day. I saw one guy had 1.5 million or 1.4 million. This is the most insane one. That's $14,000 every day that they're paying. Every day. Now you can cash that out, and send it back to his wallet and then cash it out in real money and send it back to his bank account. Or you can just keep stacking the chips. Or what a lot of people are doing is they're paying some of that money, they're cashing it out. They're hydrating like once a day or one day, and then they're doing airdrops to their team. So the goal is let's help each other, man. If you see some value in this, sign up with my buddy address. Why not? I'll help you, you help me. We build this team, and I'll start dropping some coins, some drip. I'll start dripping some drip on it. All right? Again, if you find some value in this video, this is just an update. It's really nothing super informative. It's an update on the last video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and leave some comments. I'm not afraid to answer any comments, whether they're not so nice comments or good comments. If you got questions, I'll be happy to answer any questions. If you're not quite sure how to navigate this to get things going, leave some comments. Don't be bashful. I'll be happy to help you. All right. Until the next video, let's get that crypto. Peace.